how to use Mico Widget app. So if you want to use Mico Widget and this live wallpaper app, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Now once you install the application, you need to tap on open, which will be on the right side. Open it up and you'll see a cool home page with tons of options to customize your phone. You can tap around to check out the wallpapers and widgets. You'll find hot widgets like clocks or calendars and tons of wallpapers to match your vibe. You can pick one you like and preview how it looks on your home or lock screen. So I'll just simply go and select the first one, or just go with wallpaper, any wallpaper that you're comfortable with, and select the wallpaper and go with apply, which will be in the top right, and the wallpaper will be applied or the widget will be applied. Or you can also just go back and then you will also have themes, or you'll also be able to change the app icons if you want to. So that's how you can use Mico Widget app, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.